guys, with our latest segment, we choose to bring you a drone that can easily carry wherever you travel. So I bring this review with the experience of using this drone over a month of a period. So let's move on to unboxing. Basically what we see is a small design package. On the back side of the package, you can see instruction for the use as well as manufacturer country and manufacturer company and color of product. So you can unbox the package by pulling it out of the tiny part on the side of the package. After the package is open, immediately we can see the paperwork that comes with the product. These include handling and mounting guide for the drone, a user manual that contains relevant information, a book containing information that related to the jjrc app and the jjrc club. Let's put this aside for a moment before we see the in-depth capability of the drone. Let's talk more about the things that comes with this package. Next we can see the remote controller. This is little small but very compact design. You can use AAA battery to power up the remote controller. It is also designed in a shape that we can easily hold in one hand and soft touch plastic with a matte finish. It comes with ton of buttons on the front side of the controller. Well, what else we can find in this package? The next in the package we can see the charging cables. You can charge the drone by connecting this into your laptop to any adapter that comes with the USB female out. This package includes 4 extra propellers and mounting tools. Well, then let's get to our main event. The drone looks well crafted. The design shows its strength and beauty inside this smaller piece of product. Carbon fiber on the top surface of the drone looks so tricky, but it's just a print sticker. By pressing 2 buttons on each side, the floated wings comes out like aircraft wheels. And the wings can be easily floated like this. The camera comes with 2 megapixel capacity, which can be seen fit in front of the drone, and it doesn't removable or rotate. This small camera is capable of capturing up to 720p videos. This is a very simple camera setup. In real context, it produces very low color reproductions, low sharpness, saturations, low resolution videos and photos as well. Now you can see the photos and videos taken by this drone. To start the drone, you have to press the center button on the drone. connect the drone and remote controller by pulling up and hold the left joystick on the remote controller. After the drone is connected properly, it indicates by the continual light up of two red and blue LED that were on and off earlier. To take off the drone, simply press the front right side button on the remote controller. After, you can see the drone hovering on one place in altitude hold. The ability of altitude hold capability of this drone is very poor level compared to the expensive drone model in this lineup. It takes about 20 minutes to fully charge the drone, and by one charge you can fly the drone over 6 minutes. It's very small and cheap, but it's give a lot of fun for a beginner who first time fly a drone. If I tell overall idea of this product, this certain device is more suitable for the beginner and can get the experience of flying a drone with the lowest cost in the market. But in fact, I can still be happy with the experience that this company provides to this much of cost. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you will enjoy this review. So please hit the like button if you enjoy this review. To get more information about this kind of a travel gear, travel vlogs and travel news, you can subscribe to our channel.